Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and laying it on a soft, flat surface. This prevents scratches while you work. Next, find the seam or magnetized plate where the Pitaka case grips the phone, because removing the case requires releasing that anchor. Use a fingernail or a thin pry tool at a corner and apply steady, even pressure. Do not yank. Once the edge lifts slightly, work around the perimeter slowly, keeping tension, even so adhesive or clips disengage, without bending the case. Once one edge is free, continue around the phone in small increments, about 1/2 inch at a time, because gradual movement prevents sudden release that can drop the device. If the case uses a magnetic plate, detach any accessories first so they don't tug during removal. If clips feel stiff, briefly warm the case with your breath or a cloth-wrapped hairdryer on low. Do not overheat. Make sure to support the phone with your other hand to keep it stable while you ease the remaining clips. Finish by lifting the opposite edge once most clips have released. You should feel a smooth separation rather than a snap. After removal, inspect both phone and case for dust or debris and clean with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl if needed. This preserves fit later. If the case remains stuck after warming and slow prying, stop to avoid damage and either reheat carefully or take it to a service shop. One troubleshooting tip: trapped adhesive often responds to low heat, never force it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.